Did you know this about wildfires? Wildfires can move faster than a car. In extreme conditions, wildfires can travel at speeds of up to 14 miles per hour, faster than many people can run or even drive on certain terrain. Wildfires can even jump rivers and roads. Strong winds can carry burning embers across fire breaks, rivers, or highways, igniting new fires up to a mile or more away. Due to climate change, wildfires are getting hotter, larger, and more frequent, especially in areas like California, Canada, and Australia. Subscribe for more background stories.